Crochet essentials! One of the most commonly used tools in crochet is a stitch marker. It's perfect for marking the first or last stitch of a round. For amigurumi, the best kind is the one that opens and closes easily so it won't fall off. So how do we use it? Let's pretend we made 6 stitches in round 1. Just place your stitch marker in the first or last stitch of the round. If you prefer marking the last stitch, pop the stitch marker under both loops of the last stitch. And voila, we now know the last stitch of the round. Now let's pretend in round 2, we want to make 6 stitches again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you'll notice on the 6th stitch, the marker is in the way. Simply take it out, make the last stitch, and don't forget to put the stitch marker back. Great job! Now we know that the marker is in the last stitch of round 2. Happy crocheting!